Because I like being Chef Daddy-O because we're having daddy energy in 2021. But daddy to yourself. Happy New Year! Woo! So we're super excited for some baked baking in this new fantastic year. We are going to let me go take care of myself, if you know what I mean. And then we're gonna get to baking. So I'll see you on the flip side. We're back! Better than ever. How to make recipe. Cool. That's a lot of words, honestly. Ugh. Whiskey business.
Might want to double check that it's not too much.
Is this just like Tuesday just sabotaging me in every episode? You know what? I'm just gonna blindly trust her. Once again, I'm gonna blindly trust Tuesday.
You want to do the cocoa powder challenge?
Should I do a cocoa powder challenge? So this is the first time I'm using yeast. All by myself. Sprinkling. So I guess I don't mix it. I'm just gonna sprinkle. Sprinkle. I wonder what the sugar does. Ooh, it's like food. It's like a little, it's like the fish in a fish tank, I guess. Let's sit for 10 minutes. So that means I'm gonna stare at it for 10 minutes. Alright, so I haven't left this spot. I've been staring at this for 10 minutes. I'm not confident, but you know what? Be confident in yourself, even if you feel like you're messing up. Fake it till you make it. 7 cups of flour, 7 cups of flour. So I grabbed a half cup, so that's 14 of these cups. All right, am I going to mess up? Maybe. Fun fact alert. So the most precise way to measure things obviously is by using a scale. If you're using cups, it is best to spoon it in like that and like level it off, or you could just kind of eyeball. But to like scoop it and like pat it down, you can like range from like the amount going in and like the volume is like super like, ooh, like what's going on? So scoop it in with the spoon. It takes longer, but it's more precise. 1 of 14. Number 14. Woo, 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 woo. That's a lot of flour. Babe, I got some flowers. Got them. There's rice in here to prevent it from clumping, so I can't scoop it out. So, unless you want rice in this, salt came up. Well, well, well. Look what we have here. It's just a show where we watch her count. It's pretty fun. 3. Boop. Good luck. Have fun. Ew. Good luck. Good luck in there. Using a spoon, mix until a shaggy dough begins to form. I'm sorry. Does that next step say need for 10 to 15 minutes? I'm appalled. What? No. Am I allowed to quit? I quit! This is actually really nice. Maybe I should do this instead of smoking cigarettes. Look at her! This is my first dough. First dough of 2021. Yeah! Sorry. So sorry. Love you. Boop-a-doo boop. Alright, she is greased. This might be a little too wet. But you know what? Olives are really good for you, so cold. But it's warm, kind of, not really. See you later. Maybe in an hour, maybe in 24 hours. Bye. And we're back. So I did step 4, now we're on 5. Yeah, look at this. Isn't that crazy? Does punch down literally mean punch down? That feels so funny. That's making a sound. Can you hear that? It sounds queefy. Just keep kneading, keep kneading. Okay, and then shape it into rounds. And we're gonna let you go to sleep for a little bit while Mommy goes and hangs out with her friends. I don't understand this can opener. And you'll be going around the Ditaya. You'll be going around the Ditaya. Oh boy. Guess who didn't hurt herself? So we're gonna do the sauce in 2 rounds. So we're gonna do this twice. So I'm gonna add half the salt in here. So stretch the dough. Make it thinner than you think it needs to be. It's not gonna fully fit on here. But you have no other options. So good luck to you and your pizza. How am I gonna not mess up? This is the episode that my whole hand burns off. Oop, that's a whole piece. Oop. All right. So we're gonna figure this one out, folks. Kitchen safety. Because this is very hot. Make a calzone. Bum ba da dum, bum ba da dum, bum bum bum.
That is a fat
It's. I told you it's like a hat. It looks ridiculous. It's like a hat. So honestly, I really like how this turned out. I think it looks pretty good. I think the only thing is the sauce is a little wet. It's a hat. Or lips, or
It could be anything.
so it's what's that test called? Not the Rottweiler
Rorschach?
test. What?
Rorschach.
Rorschach. It's that. It's honestly pretty good. Kind of underbaked.
Oh.
But, you know.